In this video, I'm going to show you how we can merge cells professionally. I will explain all the type of merges: merge and center, merge across, and merge cells, and we will see the difference. If you see it helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. First one, merge and center. Select these cells. Then from here, home, alignment, here we have merge and center. Okay, you see only this text remains and brings the text to the center. Let's see. That is the way to merge and center cells in Excel. Regarding merge across, let's see. Select the cells. Here, select second option, merge across. Okay. You see how merges the cells, and text at the very first cells will remain, as you see. Regarding merge cells, select it, then from here, merge cells. Merge cells only keeps the upper left, this one, and discards the values. Okay, you see, merge and center brings to the center. Merge cell doesn't bring it to the center. Now, if we unmerge the cells, just select all these. Then from here, we have unmerged cells. That's all. Have a nice time.